Okay, now I know some of your reactions, and I hate to have like a negative attitude. I don't really think I'm going to assess this. I'm going to put grades in small portion of your grade for these assignments, these five. Okay, so it should be easy points. The reason I'm doing this is because I know I pretty much covered everything in trig for the first semester except this stuff right here that I'm going to get to. Okay. So you at least have, and some of you are like, well, I'm not taking trig. It doesn't really matter to me. Okay, but I can't have half the class doing it and half the class not. Okay, it's not hard. Just kind of roll with it. Everybody in here is capable of doing it. Okay, it says simplify. It says 5 to the log base 5 of x power. Now, these are pretty easy because anytime I have a base of 5 and a log of a base 5, again, it's base 5 to the log base 5 of x power. Again, base 5 to the log base 5 of x power. Anytime I have my base and the log of the base is the same, they just cancel out. Okay, so you can get rid of those, and it's just x. Okay, as long as the base, the big base and the log's base are the same, you can just cancel them out. Okay, likewise here, the base and the log base are the same, and then it's just x. Now, if the log doesn't have a base, then it's automatically a base 10. Okay, you want to put a 10 there if it doesn't have a base. So the base and the log base are the same. Cancel them out, and it's 3x. Okay, the base and the log base are the same because the exponent's a log, but the base of the log and the actual base are the same, so they can cancel out, and it's 5. Okay, pretty easy. Again, log base 2, and then 2 to the 5x power. Now, again, I know this looks a little bit different here, but it's the same concept. The big base with the power and the log base are the same, so we can cancel them out, and they're 5x. Okay, once again, log base 4 of base 4 to the third power. Again, log base and the base of the power are the same. Cancel them out, and it's 3. So far, you're like, this is easy. Yeah, so far, okay? Log base 8 of 8 to the 2x plus 1 power. Again, the log base and the base 8 are the same, and that's 2x plus 1. Again, log base and the base of the power are the same, so those cancel out, and we have 2x. Now remember, the reason I did those so easily is because the base of the power and the log base were the same. But now that's not going to be the case, okay? Log base 7 of 49 equals x, okay? Now, I have my log base 7, okay? And what I need to do is get this 49 to somehow turn into a 7. So you need to rewrite the logarithm. And what you need to do is figure out how many 7s it would take to multiply to 49. So 1, 2, that's 49. So I replace the 49 with 7 to the second power. And then I put the power that was originally there. So 2x. Then the log base and the base of the exponent are the same. So it'd just be 2x. Do a little bit more work there. Okay, so I got log base 2. I'm not going to change, I can't change the base of the log, but I can change this 8 so that it has a base of 2. So how many 2's does it take? 2, 3, and that puts me at 8. Okay, so I replace the 8 with the 2 to the third, and I've got to put a parentheses and a power that was already there. Okay, and the log base and the 2 are the same. 3 times 3x is 9x. Okay, once again, I can't just cancel it out because I got a base and 216 ain't the same base. Okay, but I can make it so they are by taking a bunch of 6's and multiplying them out to 216. And that's 216, so it takes 3, 6 to the third. So I replace the 216 with 6 to the power of 3, and then a parentheses with 2x. Out of here, and 3 times 2x is 6x. Okay, next one. 5. How many 5's does it take to 2? That's 125, and that's 625, so it takes 4. Okay, so log base 5, and then this becomes 5 to the fourth power. Cancel those, and it's 4x. Okay, this one, remember, if you don't have a base on the log, it's automatically 10. I can't say that enough, okay? So log base 10, it's not 1, okay? Base 10. So try to multiply 10s to 100, and it takes 2. So that's 10 to the second, and times 3x, because 3x is the original exponent. Those cancel. That's 6x. Okay, again, log base 7. Now I got to get this base on the exponent to be 49. So it's 7 to the second, parentheses 3x minus 2. So those can be forgotten. That's going to be 6x minus 4. Okay, you're not solving for x, you're just simplifying it. Okay, now these first 4 are pretty easy. You can just do the cross out, and you got your answer. Cross out, got your answer. Cross out, cross out. And then here you're going to have to start getting this to be like a 6. Okay, you'll have to go off to the side and rewrite it with these last 4. Okay, that's that.